When ponds freeze, birds go ice skating. A lot of water birds live by ponds and lakes, but in winter, these habitats sometimes completely change in physical state. Some of the birds try to ignore the ice. The Canada geese do not seem impressed. A flash of blue. It's a kingfisher. This is another bird not impressed by the ice. It's more difficult to catch fish. He moves on upstream. Ducks lounge around on the water and dip in head first to nibble stuff in the pond. Maybe grubs or aquatic plants. Head down, ass up. A little more dignified, the coot completely submerges into the pond to feed. Preening is essential to most water birds. The preen gland is near the tail, where it releases oils. Birds rub their beaks over this gland and then run it through their feathers. An oily bird makes a buoyant bird.
I filmed all of these species in Eastfield Park in Bristol. Swans, white ducks, mallard ducks, moorhens, coots, kingfisher, herring gulls and black-headed gulls,
Carrion crow and Canada geese.
and that's not bad for a city park. Thank you.